Most gold IRA buyers don't realize how fast free silver promos can cost them money. Let me show you the math behind these offers so you don't overpay without knowing it. Imagine you invest $100,000 with a transparent 5% spread. If you sold immediately, you would get back $95,000, meaning you would need the market to go up $5,000 just to break even. Now, with a free silver deal adding 10K silver, your metals total $110,000. But the spread jumps to 25%. If you sold immediately, you would only get $82,500 back, meaning you need the market to rise 17,500 to break even. If you want to see this math clearly broken down and understand what to ask before you invest, I've linked the free silver scheme report below this video. Don't mistake a free bonus for real value. Download the free silver scheme report I've linked in the description to protect your retirement savings.